Yeah, can you hear me? Am I audible now? Okay. Mahaganadhipataye. Okay, okay. Okay. Keep a message to everyone to join immediately. Everyone. Good evening. Children, keep a message in the group. The Zari is asking to join immediately. Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Yeah. Good evening. Today's first problem. There is a rectangular cloth whose length we don't know. We need to find out it. And width is 2.5 meters. With this rectangular cloth, a conical tent was made, whose radius is 7 meters and height is 24 meters. Okay, now we need to find out the length of the rectangular cloth. This is the question. Once again, there is a rectangular cloth whose length we need to find out. Breadth is given 2.5 meters. With this cloth, a conical tent was made whose radius is 7 meters and vertical height is 24 meters. We need to find out length of the rectangular cloth. First, we need to understand the relation between these two figures. What relation between these two will exist? Can anyone say? ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య ఏ రిలేషన్ ఉంటుంది? What relation exists between them? What relation exists between them? Can anyone? Children, keep a message in the group that everyone need to join. Only 15 are joined today. So tomorrow, Sunday, holiday, all these are holidays only. So you are habituated to sit at home and play and see the videos or movies. This is not good. Now, the relation between these two figures is area of rectangle is equal to curved surface area of cone. Area of rectangle is equal to curved surface area of cone. Here this L is length of the rectangle and this is let it be L into B, let it be, and this is B. So area of rectangle is equal to curved surface area of cone. We know breadth is 2.5, so L into 2.5 is equal to, first find out slant height of the cone, root over r square plus h square. R square, 7 square, h square, 24 square. 49 plus 576, root over 625, which is 25. So slant height of the cone is 25 meters. So 22 by 7 into radius 7 into slant height 25. So 7 get cancelled. L into 2.5 and writing it as 25 by 10 is equal to 22 into 25. 22 into 25. Then length is equal to 22 into 25 into 10 by 25. This 25 by 10 will go to that side and get reversed. So 25 get cancelled. So length of the rectangle is 220 meters. Length of the rectangle is 220 meters. Here what we have to understand, a conical tent was made by using a rectangular cloth. So the relation between these two is area of rectangle is equal to curved surface area of cone. We know curved surface area of cone is pi r, where L is slant height, root over r square plus h square. So after finding the slant height, we can find out length of the rectangle as 220 meters. Okay na? Next question. Next question. Two cones have their heights in the ratio 1:3. H1 by H2 is 1/3. Heights are in the ratio 1:3. And the radii are in the ratio 3:1. R1 is to R2 is 3/1. Now show that their volumes are in the ratio 3:1. Then we need to find out volumes ratio. We need to find out volumes ratio. This is the question. Heights are in the two cones are there. Two cones are there. Their heights are in the ratio 1:3 and radii are in the ratio 3:1. We need to find out the volumes ratio. Okay. So from this you can write H1 as x and H2 as 3x. And from this R1 as 3x, R2 as 3y, R2 as y. Now, volume of first bone 1/3 pi R1 square H1. Pi R1 square H1. So 1/3 pi R1 square 3y whole square H1 x. So 1/3 pi 9y square x. 3 3s are. So what will you get here? 3 pi y square x. 3 pi y square x. Next, volume of second cone 1/3 pi R2 square H2. 1/3 pi R2 square H2. 1/3 pi R2 y whole square H2 3x. Now when you simplify this, what you will get? Pi y square x. Pi y square x. Now V1 by V2. V1 by V2. 3 pi y square. V1 is the 3 pi y square x by V2 pi y square x. Pi cancel, y square cancel, x cancel. 3/1. So volumes ratio is 3:1. Volumes ratio is 3:1. Understand, children? Next question. A cylinder and a cone have equal radii of their bases and equal heights. If the curved surface area areas are in the ratio 8:5, show that their radius and height of each has ratio as 3:4. Curved surface areas are in the ratio a cylinder and a cone have equal radii of their bases and equal heights. Equal radii and equal heights means cone radius, height, cylinder radius, height, both are same. Okay. If their curved surface areas are in the ratio, that means 2 pi RH by pi RL is 8/5. And show that the radius and height of each has ratio 3:4. So pi R cancel. 2h by L is equal to 8/5. Four h square by L square is equal to 64/25. What is L square? 4h square by R square plus h square is equal to 64/25. Now simplify from this. 4 16 there, 64. So h square by R square plus h square is equal to 16/25. Now reverse it. R square plus h square by h square is equal to 25/16. Now R square by h square plus h square by h square is equal to 25/16. One time R square by h square plus 1 is equal to 25/16. Then R square by h square is equal to 25/16 minus 1. So R square by h square is 9/16. Then R by h is equal to 3/4. So radius and height are in the ratio 3:4. That is what we have to show. Curved surface area. The radius and height of a cone and a cylinder both are same. Curved surface areas ratio is given. Curved surface areas ratio is given. Okay. So that means 2 pi r h by pi r l is 8/5. Pi r get cancelled. So 2h by l is equal to 8/5. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on. 2h whole square is 4h square. L square is equal to 64/25. Squaring it. Now 4 ones are 4 16 there. So h square by r square plus h square is 16/25. Now reverse both. Reverse. R square plus h square by h square is equal to 25/16. Now r square by h square plus h square by h square is 25/16. So r square by h square plus 1 is equal to 25/16. 1 will go to that side, it becomes -1. R square by h square is equal to 25/16 minus 1. If you simplify, r square by h square is 9/16, r by h is equal to 3/4. So the ratio of radii and height, the ratio of radius and height of a cone and a cylinder are in the ratio 3:4. Okay, children. This is a very good question. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Yeah. Next question. A right circular cone 3.6 meters high, radius 1.6 meters. It is melted and recast into a right circular cone having base radius 1.2. Find height. 1.2 centimeters and find height. See, there is a right circular cone whose base radius is 1.6 centimeters and height is 3.6 centimeters. It was melted and recast into another right circular cone whose radius is 1.2 centimeters. We need to find out height. This is the question. Okay, children. There is a right circular cone, radius 1.6 centimeters, height 3.6 centimeters. It was melted and again recast into another cone whose radius is 1.2 centimeters and height we need to find out. ఇక్కడ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ కోన్ లో రేడియస్ ఎంత 1.6 సెంటీమీటర్స్, సెకండ్ కోన్ లో 1 అంటే రేడియస్ తగ్గింది. ఇక్కడ హైట్ 3.6, అక్కడ హైట్ ఎంత, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వి హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్. అంటే ఇక్కడ హైట్ పెరుగుతుంది, ఇక్కడ రేడియస్ తగ్గింది కదా, హైట్ పెరుగుతుంది. రైట్. What relation exists between these two? What relation exists between these two cones? Can anyone say? Can anyone say? What is the relation between those two? How can we find out h? How can we find out h of the small cone? Another. Both volumes are same, Sahasra. Yes. Yes, their volumes are same. That means 1/3 pi r1 square h is equal to again 1/3 pi 1.2 square into h. Volumes equal. Volume of this cone is this and volume of this cone is this. Both are equal. So here we can cancel these two. 1/3 pi h. 1/3 pi h is common on both sides. Okay. Now, in order to find out h, what we have to do? 1.6 into 1.6 into 3.6 by 1.2 into 1.2. 1.2 into 1.2. So this one goes with 3 times. Okay. Now h is equal to 16 by 10 into 16 by 10 into 3 by 12 by 10. If you see further simplification, 16 by 10 into 16 by 10 into 3 by 1 into 10 by 12 into 10 by 12. కింద రివర్స్ అవుతుంది. 12 by 10 కాస్త 10 by 12. 12 by 10 కాస్త 10 by 12. So here 10 get cancelled. 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 4 4s are. So total 16 4s are 64 by 10. That means 6.4 centimeters. So height of the second cone is 6.4 centimeters. Height of the second cone is 6.4 centimeters. Okay. Okay, children. Now, next question. Next question. Yeah. A circus tent is cylindrical to a height of 3 meters and conical above it. If its diameter is 1.5 meters and slant height of conical portion is 53 meters, calculate the length of the canvas 5 meters wide to make the required tent. Yeah. Again, there is a rectangular cloth. There is a rectangular cloth. Okay. 5 meters wide. Length we don't know, we need to find out. Okay. With this, what they have done? They made a circus tent. This is a circus tent. Okay. Height is 3 meters. Cylindrical height is 3 meters. Conical height 53 meters. Radius 105 meters. Okay, children. Radius, not radius. Diameter. Diameter 105. That means radius 105 by 2 radius. Conical height 53 meters. Cylindrical height 3 meters. Cylindrical height 3 meters. How much length of canvas is required to make this tent? This is the question. There is a rectangular cloth. With this cloth, this tent is made. In this tent, there are two objects. One is cone, the other one is cylinder. Cone height 53 meters. Radius 105 by 2 meters. Cylindrical height 3 meters. Radius same. Both cone and cone radius and cylinder radius both are same. So that means what we have to understand, with this rectangular cloth, this tent was made. That means L into D is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. This is what we have to understand. ఈ రెక్టాంగులర్ క్లాత్ తోనే ఈ సర్కస్ టెంట్ తయారు చేశారు కాబట్టి ఏరియా ఆఫ్ రెక్టాంగిల్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ యాజ్ కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ కోర్ ప్లస్ కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సిలిండర్. ఓకేనా? Now, in order to find out curved surface area of cone, we need to find out slant height first. L is equal to root over r square plus h square. Here radius is 105 by 2 whole square plus h square is 53 square. Simplify and tell me what is slant height done first. No, slant height is given directly, sorry. మీరు చేయక్కర్లేదు. Slant height is 53. No need to find out slant height. మిమ్మల్ని కాపాడేసండి నేను సరిగ్గా చదువుకో. Yeah, slant height is given 53. Now height, slant height is 53. So now simplify. L into 5 is equal to 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into 53 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into 3. Simplify and tell me what is length. What is the length? So ఇక్కడ ఏం కామన్ తీయొచ్చు? 22 by 7 కామన్ తీయొచ్చు, 105 by 2 కామన్ తీయొచ్చు. That's all. So what is remaining? 53 plus 6. There are 2 3s are 6. How much? 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into 59. L into 5. This is 7 ones are 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 2 ones are 2 11s are. So L into 5 is equal to 11 into 15 into 59. Then length is equal to 11 into 15 into 59 by 5. 5 3s are 33 into 59. 33 into 59. Length of the rectangular clock. How much? 33 into 59. Apply Bhadriya Jnana. 59, 33. 9 3s are 27. 15 plus 27. 15 plus 27 how much? 42, 44, 15, 19. 1947 centimeters, meters, sorry. 1947 meters of cloth is required to make a tent which is in the form of a cylinder and conical above it and conical above it. Okay children? Yeah. Today's last question. Today's last question. An iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion 2.8 meters high and 20 centimeters in diameter and a cone 42 centimeters high surmounting it. Find the height of the pillar. If 1 centimeter cube iron weighs 7.5 grams. Same question, this is also same. ఒక పెద్ద ఐరన్ పిల్లర్ ఉంది కదా, అది బేస్ సిలిండ్రికల్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది, పైన కోనికల్ ఫామ్ లో. both are having same radius. Both are having same radius. At the cylindrical height 2.8 meters and the diameter, the radius 10 centimeters. And the cone radius kuda 10 centimeters. And the conical height, the conical height 42 centimeters. Conical height 42 centimeters. Okay. Now we need to find out weight of the pillar. If 1 centimeter cube volume is equal to 7.5 grams. 1 centimeter cube volume is equal to 7.5 grams. 1 centimeter cube is 7.5 grams అయితే ఈ total pillar ఎంత weight ఉంటుంది? This is the question. How much weight it will be? So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate volume of pillar. Okay, volume of pillar is nothing but volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. After finding the volume of pillar, then multiply it with 7.5 grams, then convert into kgs by dividing it with 1000. Understand, children? Cylindrical height is given 2.8 meters, radius 10 centimeters. Centimeters. Height is given in meters here. Cylindrical height is given in meters. Radius 10 centimeters. Conical height is given in centimeters. 42 centimeters. Radius is same. So what we have to do? We need to convert this one as also 280 centimeters. Height of the cylinder. Okay, na? So do this sum. Tomorrow we will discuss about this answer. Kindly note down the sum. Dhanyavad. Tomorrow we will meet with the sphere concept. Bye bye. Thank you.